Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a camera blinking on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first troubleshooting step you want to do is close out the camera app if it is open. In order to do that, you can push your finger upward like this to see all the open apps. Find the camera app and simply swipe it upward to close it out. Now if you have a home button, just double click on the home button. That will also bring up that menu, and then find the camera app and simply force quit it like that. Now that's going to be the simple and the easy fix. Now another thing you might want to consider is going to be going into your setting on your iPhone, and then from the main setting you're going to go to the camera settings here. So go all the way down to camera here, and in the camera setting here we're going to look for this feature known as macro control. Now we want to go ahead and disable that feature and see if that blinking goes away. If it does, great. If not, let's move on to the next troubleshooting step, which is again in the same camera setting here, and under this time a record video here, we're going to go down here where it says lock camera. We're going to turn that feature on this time, and with this feature turned on, we can expect that any blinking or camera should be fixed. Now if it's still not fixed after applying this feature, we're going to move on to the next feature, which is going to be in your camera app itself. Let's go ahead and open it up, and then this time you're going to click on that arrow pointing upward, and then right here is the exposure. You want to go ahead and reset this to 0 just like that, or adjust it till you find that blinking is fixed. Usually 0 will be the best option. Again, that's something you wanted to do with the exposure as well. Now if it's still not fixed yet, the next thing to do is do this method, which is you're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that, and you're going to wait for the screen to go completely black while you're holding on to that side button just like I am here, and we're going to wait to see the Apple logo appear before we let go of that side button just like that. Again, that was volume up, volume down, press and release quickly before holding on to the side button, and what that does is shuts down the phone software and reloads the code, so fixing any software related issue that could be impacting that camera blinking on your iPhone. And this method is safe, will not delete any of your data, and after that hopefully it is fixed. And those are the troubleshooting steps you need to follow in order to fix a camera that's blinking. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.